in front of you, traders, extremely aggressive long trade. This is proprietary alpha Fibonacci levels that identifies the end of the minor trend. Intelligent trader knows extremely well why is this such an aggressive trade. When price comes to this level, trader starts trailing carefully. This is next crucial target. Alpha Fibonacci system known for its ultimate precision, its ultimate power. So let me explain to you in just a second why is this such an aggressive long. Bullish rally overextended. Monday was a dream, institutional support. This morning on this magnificent Thursday, May 7th, we're not at support. We're dealing with overextended rally. We're extremely high. We're not at the bottom. Tuesday was disaster. 6 hours of chop, sell off the last hour. Wednesday, pain. 7 hours of chop. Here comes Thursday. There is no sellers in the market. It's a very dangerous scroll. We're extremely high. So if you will choose to buy here, this is very aggressive trade. It's a crawl, it's not rally, it's a pain. That's what intelligent trader knows. World of difference between buying with institutions the bottom versus extremely high. Success rate on your trades here, high 90%. Success rate on your trades here, 70 and less. Zero sellers in this market. Ladies and gentlemen, institutions keep adding to their longs. So if you love the pain, this is what you get. Crawl. Intelligent trader knows the difference. Intelligent trader very clear. Trading a dream, not a pain, not a crawl. So here we go. We knew extremely well that there are absolutely no shorts here despite price being extremely high. Here we go. Your critical trend target is reached. Move your stop outside of break even if you have. Large size position, scale out accordingly. Boom! That's how intelligent trader trades the market. That's what intelligent traders share in the room. Boom! This is community of brilliant intelligent traders who know that trend hand-holding never recipe for success. Can 242 SPY call option Bitcoin. Boom! 17 trades, 17 wins, 17 days. Flawless. J. S&P 575 points this morning. Jennifer 4. Emmanuel killing it on gold. Khalid trading in Top Step account. My students become my dearest friends for life. That's the reason I love what I do. I give you Ferrari. All you have to do is drive one. All you have to do, obey the rules. So if you can obey the rules, the skies are the limit. So the trade reaches alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, price pulling back. My goodness, what a stunning Fibonacci chess. Intelligent trader understands and knows this never enter into reversal zone. This is where intelligent trader adjusts the trail right outside. Nothing else is possible, only this. Dow also keeps rallying. That's the power of this system. As strategic, intelligent traders trading all over the world. This means the world. However, beautiful Ferrari needs a driver. So if you can drive Ferrari at 65 miles an hour, if you can stay between the lines, the sky's as the limit. As Jennifer says, as traders supporting each other. Stunning, incredible work, everyone. I am so proud of you. That's community of incredible traders with very powerful system. Black and white means the world, everyone. Thank you, traders. 17 trades, 17 wins, 17 days. If Ken, if Jay, if Jennifer, if Emmanuel, if Khalid, if Brad can do it, so can you. You decide what you want to trade. Trail is not touched. Trail placed in perfect place. No speculation here. Correct? It's black and white. Markets formed by alpha Fibonacci chess. Identical dance plays out on Apple, on Pound, on Euro, on Amazon, on oil, on Bitcoin, on anything you choose to trade. As you can see, students posting in the room. It's black and white. Marco is killing it on NQ. You decide what you want to trade. You decide what your account size will be. It's black and white. Very, very simple. As Brad admiring and supporting each other. Amazing work, Khalid. Stunning. Breathtaking. From Bitcoin to S&P to gold to NASDAQ. Choice is yours. Absolutely up to you. Both Khalid and Marco trading with firms that funding their account. Top step and one up. All you have to do, make an effort. All you have to do, obey alpha Fibonacci rules. The sky's as a limit, as proven by traders all over the world since 2011. So extremely powerful system with incredible community of traders creates very powerful, very successful combination. All you have to do, be serious about trading. All you have to do, make an effort. Focus and repetition is all I'm asking you to do. Because if they can do it, so can you. Again, trail placed in perfect place, my goodness. Did we know or did we know that only longs are here? Of course. Did we know or did we know that your trail placement is crucial? Absolutely. Adjust trail even closer, right outside of this reversal zone. Price never crashed through this support, so if price will never crash through this support, this rally will go on. Intelligent trader knows that clearly. Institutions buying every single pullback. Institutions not touching any shorts. And when price will start reversing from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, it will be a beautiful thing. It will give intelligent trader opportunity to buy low once again. As all of this brilliant, intelligent trader knows that. Boom. As the biggest skeptic, Jennifer knows and believes in fibs. It's black and white. It's simple. Trail again is not touched. My goodness. Is it possible? How you place your stop, how you place your trail is critical. Of course, this intelligent traders knows. No speculation here. All precise with this rule-based system. So if you will decide to become successful alpha Fibonacci trader, that is crucial that you review the information on the website on the products. Currently we're offering the biggest discount ever, $2,000 for each individual package. Every week we upload a new podcast with students and graduates who sharing their journeys, who sharing their success, who inspiring each other. And that's the power of the system, traded all over the world, from the smallest accounts to institutional size accounts. You decide if you want to trade futures, stocks, options, forex, mutual funds, ETFs. Choice is yours. System traded all over the world, with or without software. All the details here. Any questions for me? Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, for another spectacular morning with Alpha Fibonacci system that's showing you precision, that's showing you the power of pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. Nothing else is needed ever. And what you're seeing right now in front of you is no surprise, as reversal zone is not the place to buy, it's a place to exit your long. So if these traders can do it, so can you. That's the core of the system. Buy from support and sell from resistance. It doesn't matter if it's Apple, it doesn't matter if it's pound, if it's gold, if it's oil. Choice is yours. It's a stunning and flawless reminder of the power of reversal zone, of knowing where to exit your long. Now, intelligent trader monitors for short. Intelligent trader understands the importance of this support and never ever ever entering into reversal zone.